In today's video, I'm going to teach you how can I track commission and split rate in QuickBooks online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable commission for an employee and enter the amount each pay runs so taxes calculate automatically and your payroll stays accurate. First, a quick note on what we're doing. In QuickBooks Online Payroll, commission is treated as an additional pay type you turn on at the employee level. Once it's enabled, you can enter a dollar amount each pay period. This works best for in-house employees who are on payroll and need commissions included with their regular paycheck. Let's start by adding the commission pay type to an employee. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go to Payroll, then Employees. Choose the employee who earns commission. In their profile, look for the pay type section and select Add Additional Pay Types. From the list, pick Commission. Save your changes. That one action adds a dedicated commission field to that employee's paycheck details going forward. If multiple employees earn commission, repeat these same clicks for each person so they all have the commission pay type available. Now you're ready to use it when you run payroll. When it's time to pay, click Run Payroll. Locate the employee and you'll see a spot for commission alongside their regular earnings. Enter the commission amount for that pay period as a dollar value. If you work with a split rate, say the employee gets a certain commission rate and then shares a portion with a team member, do the math before you type it in. Multiply the sale by the commission rate, apply the split you've agreed on, and enter the final amount the employee should receive. QuickBooks treats this as taxable wages, so you don't need to adjust withholdings manually. Payroll taxes will calculate automatically based on your existing setup. When everything looks right, submit payroll as usual. A few practical tips as you go. Keep a simple calculation sheet or policy note outside QuickBooks for your commission and split formulas, so you're consistent each pay run. If you want more context on a specific payout, use the memo or description area in the paycheck details to note the deal, date range, or split reference. After submission, review the employee's pay stub to confirm the commission line appears with the correct amount and that totals and taxes look right. That's it. You enabled the commission pay type for the employee and entered the commission during payroll so it's taxed and recorded correctly, ideal for employees earning